initially what we are being said that there is a height difference of 0.2 meters. We're also being said that the inside part is filled by an ideal gas. Alright. So by the property of ideal gas, we can say that at every point the pressure being exerted by this gas is P. Okay, that is going to be same and we are assuming that to be P. We're also being said that P external comes out to be 0. Okay, so at initially, what is happening is that these two sections, mass M1 and M2, are at equilibrium. So we can write the equation for equilibrium condition that M2G is equals to pressure due to the gas into A2. And similarly for mass M1, we can write M1G is the pressure due to the gas into A1. So A2 by A1 is equals to 2. Okay, because M2 by M1 comes out to be 2. So let's focus on this condition. The second thing what we are being said is that the mass of M1 is made exactly equal to that of mass M2. Okay, so what we need to understand that if this happens, this mass, this section will eventually come down and settle at the bottom. You know, this thing can't happen that this section mass m1 will appear to settle at an intermediate position. Why? Because the area of cross section of both of are different. All right, so and the pressure has to be same. Now if this settles at an intermediate position, okay, so for that the what we can say the net force acting on it has to be 0, and since area of cross section is same, so at different at these two sections the force has to be different, right? Because pressure into area, and this will eventually not be able to balance this because uh, so excuse me, because where was I? Huh. So this will not be able to balance it. Why? Because these two masses are same. All right. So eventually this will come and settle at the bottom, and this will happen to you know this will happen to be at equilibrium. So again and for this to be at equilibrium, the pressure inside has to be same. So what we can say, what the pressure was initial, the pressure has to be final. So P1 into V1 is equals to P2 into V2. If we consider this to be as a system, right? And P1 was nothing. P1 initial case and P1 final case was same, right? So we can cancel them. And V initial was area of cross section A1 into height h2, that was again constant 0.2 plus A2 into 0.2. All right, and when this has settled down, okay, this section, what we have to understand is that the total volume is being occupied here, right? So a new height is going to be established. Let's suppose it to be h dash. Okay, h double dash. All right, and this is going to be nothing but a2 into h double dash. Now from these two conditions, what we can say that h double dash will come out to be 0.3, and this is what is being asked in the question. What is the difference between their heights finally? Thank you.